Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful four-strand braid. So let's just begin from our hair course. Firstly, you need to divide the hair in four equal sections. I'm using my finger, you can see. Continue watching tutorial for the process. Let's begin. Here is four-strand braid. Thank you so much for watching the video and subscribe our channel if our channel supports you to learn. Or bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, keep practicing.